Lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gininda faced questions about the possibility of one of the officers knowing about the Senzo Meyiwa murder case when things took an unsavory turn in the High Court in Pretoria.
I think Colonel Mboto would have been the dumbest cop in South Africa to have said that at the time at which you requested him to go and do the confession, he had no knowledge about the death of Senzo. I withdraw the question. I withdraw the question. Thank you.
But that question...
I said I withdrew it, my lord.
Yeah, but you can't say something about an officer of the law that would have been the dumbest.
That's not an insult, my lord.
It is.
No.
Temperatures would later rise again amid a deliberation on the possibility of having an inspection in loco at a scene where the alleged lookout man, Muzi Sibiya, claims he was assaulted.
I heard you guys trying to travel imaginary distances. You don't even make provision that there could have been an accident. Yes. Or a plane could have landed on the highway. Have you thought about that one?
Yes, my lord. That is why I said circumstances may have prevailed, and Sergeant Mokgoatlheng is the one that can first.
So how do let's have?
But that is irrelevant, Brigadier. Why do you factor in what Mokgoatlheng could have done?
Let's have.
Please, just be ethical. Now, you'll be crying that people do not respect you when you yourself don't respect yourself. What is the relevance of Mokgoatlheng's evidence in terms of what this court has just said now?
Okay. Let's be organized.
Just be ethical.
Let's have that inspection in loco. What time do we have it?
This once again saw the judge put his foot down, calling for decorum.
So let's hope to behave ourselves. I mean, me, I'm being told, why ungabuzi lona? Why ungabuzi lona? I mean, you never address a judicial officer like that. If a judge makes a comment, you shut up. That's how we were taught. You keep quiet. If a judge has offended you, you ask to see the judge in chambers. You complain, fine. But this thing of arguing with the judge in open court like this, people see that you don't care for the judge, you don't even respect that judge. The same thing happens with witnesses. You may differ with a witness when he gives evidence, but respect his opinion. Now we're fighting every day here in this court. We're fighting about decorum.
This is not the first time that the judge has had to call for respect and professional conduct during proceedings. The trial will resume on Wednesday with the continuation of the cross-examination and deliberations on whether to visit the scene where Muzi Sibiya claims he was assaulted. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Senzo Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.